Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the wing mirror on my VW T4. It's obviously fallen off. Someone's whacked it with a passing car, so like it's completely loose like that. It's just barely hung on. It's got some cables in it because it's got a heated element and a motorized element. So to get this off, you have to take off the door card. It's not as simple as one of the manual ones. So as if by magic, here's the new one. Let's see how I did it. So first up is this trim piece here. And I found the best way is just to wedge an Allen key into it. And then you can kind of get a grip on it. This is a 2.5mm Allen key. And once it's come out a little bit, get something on the back of it to jimmy it out. And so that's the kind of plug that it is there. It's basically a split wall plug. Following on from that, take out this door lock button, just unscrews. Next up, we want to get this trim piece off here, the door handle piece. So I've always found if you put your two hands up on top and pull it outwards, it snaps off, and it's just on this kind of clip thing here and here on the bottom. And with the number 3 crosshead screwdriver, just unscrew these screws. And then right in here is a little crosshead screw. So because this is the electric model, it has a control unit up here, so when we lift this off, we need to be careful that because there's wires still attached inside. So I've just used one of the hooks temporarily inside the door to hook the door there. So these are the clips we're interested in for the mirror, and they go out the side, so let's unclip them. So here's my new one. It's an aftermarket product, but it is much cleaner, no damage at all, and it just works fine. So let's get it offered up and screwed in. So they'll only fit together one way. So the next bit is to get the door card back on. We've got a number of these plastic clips all the way around that have to engage with these holes here. We've got to get it over this little button pin here, and we've got to get the door handle lined up, so watch me struggle. Wow, miraculously easy. Much better. So let's check if this operation works. We turn it onto the right mirror, so it's rocking up. There it is.